This is Kofar Dangaladima, Abu Manawachi polling unit. According to INEC records, there are 886 registered voters. The Governor, Muhammed Jibrilla Umar, is 92 on the list of registered voters.
Voting commenced at the unit at about 8 a.m. The INEC presiding officer, Muhammad Alhaji Musa, said he was confident that the exercise would be very successful and urged the electorate to conduct themselves peacefully.
Everything is going normal. We started it as early as 8, and we don't have any problem for now. Everything is going normal. Security situation is conducive, is quite good. We are expecting peaceful.
Adamawa Governor Muhammed Jibrilla Bindow was also at the polling unit and cast his ballot by 9:40 a.m. Some voters at the polling unit had their expectations on the exercise.
I came here this morning to vote for my best candidate that I want to win this election. I'll come here for this election. I'm expecting my candidate of PDP to win this election.
We shall win again by the APC. That is Bindow for governor, inshallah.
I am Patience Aliyu, News Agency of Nigeria.